Hi students, if you're new to my channel, I am Divya. I will be teaching 10th class mathematics. Today, we will be discussing exercise 4.3, question number 4. If you have missed watching my previous videos, I will put all the links in the description box below. So let's get started. The next question, question number 4, is the following situation possible? If so, determine the present ages. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages is 48. So here he is asking us, is the situation is possible to find the ages of the two friends? Okay. If it is possible, we need to find their present ages. Clear? So let us solve the question. Now see here, we have two friends, right? The sum of the ages of the two friends is 20. Okay. So if you take first friend is F1 and second friend is F2, sum of their ages is 20. Okay. So let the age of the first friend be X. So if the age of the first friend is X, and what is the age of the second friend? It is F2 is equals to 20. Then if you want to find the age of the second friend, it will be 20 minus X. Right? We are sending this X to RHS, which becomes 20 minus X. So the age of the second friend be, which is 20 minus X. Okay. Now see the question. We have a scenario which is 4 years ago. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. So we have a scenario here which is 4 years ago. So 4 years ago, what was the age of the first friend? The age of the first friend was, see, if your age is 20 years right now, 4 years ago, your age will be 16, right? Which is 20 minus 4. Correct? In the same way, first friend's age 4 years ago will be X minus 4. The present age of the first friend, which is we have taken it as X minus 4. Okay, 4 years. And the age of the second friend. So, the age of the second friend is 20 minus X, right? So, if we want 4 years ago, you will take minus 4. Clear? So, here you will get 20 minus X minus 4. So, 20 minus 4 is 16 minus X. Okay? Now, see the question. We need to find the product of their ages. To find the product of the ages of the first friend and the second friend. Okay? Which is X minus 4 and 16 minus X is equals to, what is the product of the ages given as, which is 48. Okay. Now multiply them. Multiply X minus 4 and 16 minus X. You will get X into 16 is 16X. X into minus X is minus X square. Then multiply minus 4 with 16. You will get 16 4s are 64. Minus into minus is plus. 4 into X is 4X is equals to 48. Okay. Now see here we have minus X square. You have 16X and 4X, which is plus 20X. And then you have minus 64. Minus 64. Let us get this 48 to LHS, which becomes minus 48 is equals to 0. Okay. Now, what is the quadratic equation which we have got? That is minus X square plus 20 x. This is minus 64 and minus 48, which is minus, you will add these both, right? 64 plus 48, which is 112, is equals to 0. In this quadratic equation, the first term is negative, right? So we need to make it as positive. So we will take minus common. You will get x square minus 20x. See here, minus into minus is plus 20x, okay? Then you can take plus 112 is equals to 0. Now the required quadratic equation that we have got is x square minus 20x plus 112 is equals to 0. So this is the quadratic equation which we have got. Okay, so from this quadratic equation, we will find the value of x. Okay, for that, we need to find the discriminant values. So what is the equation that we have got? That is x square minus 20x plus 112 is equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation that we have got, right? So from this quadratic equation, let us quickly find A. A is 1, B is minus 20 and C is 112. Okay. Now we will find the discriminant value and see that if it is greater than 0, if it is less than 0 or if it is equals to 0, so that we can find the x values. Okay. So discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. Right. So what is b here? B is minus 20 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and C is 112. Minus a square is plus. So 20 square will be 400 minus. So when you multiply 112 with 4, you will get 448. So 400 minus 448 is minus 48, which is the negative number. So we have got minus 48. So we will get discriminant is less than 0. So when will the discriminant be less than 0? If the quadratic equation has no real roots. Okay. So see the question. In the question he has asked, is the following situation possible? So we can say the following situation is not possible because the quadratic equation has no real roots. Okay. Since the quadratic equation has no real roots, the situation is not possible. Okay. Do practice this question and let me know if you are facing any difficulty in practicing it. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.